Falana versus VDM's case. God, I know why I'm laughing because see, I want to do that. They let a rush lawyer, so they let a rush judge. Now what the judge want, now they do. No be you wey get case, they tell judge what to do. No matter who you are. That's one thing I've come to realize when it comes to court cases. I'm telling you. Now the thing is, all this other VDM is laughing. He doesn't even know. He doesn't even know that if they calm down, file this case, VDM, you said you not gonna survive am more. The truth of the matter is, I suspect allegedly this particular VDM and Falana's case they jump some steps. Yes, because the case kind of fast. Yeah, this coming from someone that knows one or two a little about these court cases and how lawyers can waste your time, and they'll tell you that it's not wasting of time. Oh, it's proceedings. They are following proceedings. They are following days. Okay, now let's say this. I think the Falanas allegedly must have, jumped some procedures because of the caliber of persons they are in Nigeria, right? And they might probably have jumped this case, particular protocols, and that is what is making the judge them to bounce the case. Now let's read what VDM posted, and I will now explain what I mean. Okay, so VDM posted this thing. I'm sure this thing was forwarded to him by his lawyer. Right now, the thing is, he said Femi Falana versus Martins Vincent Ose and Falana versus Martins Vincent Ose were scheduled to come up today before the Honorable Justice Ola Tokuns of the High Court of Lagos State Ikeja. However, before the matter could be called, the Honorable Justice Ola Tokuns informed the court that the two cases have been sent back to the chief judge for reassignment, thereby effectively declining to preside over the cases. She gave no reasons for her decision. Parties were directed to return to the litigation registry for reassignment of the cases. Now, see the reason why I felt that allegedly these Falanas are not following protocols. Number one, do you know when they gave that retraction? Retraction takes some days. When Martins, that's VDM, did not apologize or retract his statement or taking down the videos, there are certain protocols that were supposed to be done before they call for that first time court where Martins, that's VDM, wore that I think that red skirt and he was going to court without seal pass. When they first called that, do you know that they did not take the right dates? They did not go like I think it's about 42 days before he is supposed to appear. Before he appears, his lawyers are supposed to write back to the court and they're supposed to fix a date first before Vincent go appear. But all those things were not done. I have a lawyer friend who explained these things to me, that his case, this VDM's case, they are not going in the right way. And that's why I'm not shocked seeing that the judges are bouncing the case. Why they are bouncing the case is not because VDM is innocent. It's because the case is not following the way it should follow. See, all these court proceedings, all these procedures are so long. In fact, sometimes you'll be tired. It's so long. They are counting days. Days must be taken. Your lawyer will have to reply and all that. And I like VDM for the fact that VDM knows that if he does not appear in court, problem for him. So anytime they call for VDM, he always appear. Oh. You get, because it will be worse on you when they serve you. After serving you, you now decided not to appear in court. The problem that you pack on top of your head will be so big. It will not be bigger than the initial case that you were sued for, because now you'll be contending with the judges, not the person that is suing you. Sure, you get. So VDM is trying his best. I'm sure that he has good lawyers who advise him that staying away from the court is going to be a big problem. So VDM's lawyers are actually doing the right thing. You get, they are following up the case the way it's supposed to be, making sure that VDM does not forget the date and appearing in court when the date is there. The date is supposed to appear, right? But the mistake, I think, is coming from the Falanas. Maybe because of the kind of caliber of person they are in the society, or because they know that, okay, maybe they can do one or two things. In Nigeria, anything is possible. I don't know what they did. I'm just saying it, that maybe that's the reason why another judge go to toss case of another judge around. I think they should calm down and file this thing properly without jumping protocols, because they might be thinking that they jump protocols, because they are also in power, or because they are also maybe he's also a judge. so maybe his friends will just do it. No, some people might like to just take things step by step, the right way. You get the point? And for VDM that is laughing, I will say VDM, never laugh, oh, never laugh, never laugh. Don't laugh yet, because if this case is calm, like they are calm and they file it the right way, as I said, court proceedings take time. Sometimes if you're not careful, you will even forget that there's a case on top of your head, and then when the thing will come out, bang, you go just hit your head, bagam, you go shock, go blah. I thought these people forgot me. That same way when VDM had a case with the Delta State something, I think he was thinking that case has been forgotten about, but it came. It's because court cases take procedures, and again, you are not the only one filing. It's until you have a court case, that's why you know that 100 people are in a queue waiting to be assigned to a judge. I think this VDM's case was not assigned properly to a judge, and that's why the judge involved is also being very careful, because you remember this thing, e concern EFCC and all that, make judge no con go take matter wey e go too bad for am, you get. So I think that the falanas should calm down and fight this case like a normal human being, like normal me and you, forgetting that they have a connection or anything. Just do it like a normal person and wait for the right days. I feel that from the onset, before they even adjourned that first one in December to January 21st, that time, and see, I think they now still adjourned it. All this one is because the case, they are not filing the right way. They have jumped some protocols. You get the point? And in Nigeria now, even in hospitals, some people they're gonna go buy cards, or they're not go wait for doctor, they go just jump protocols, and other people are sitting waiting for the doctor. You go see say person will be number 20, don't first go see doctor before you will be number 1. All those kind of things. Just because person know this nurse, this person know the doctor, connection here and there, happens in Nigeria. You get the point? But maybe that's the reason why maybe they must have jumped protocols, and the judge is tossing them around. I think they should calm down, come back to the table with your lawyers, forget the connection you have, file the case the right way, even if it will take 2 months. Calm down, file it. And again, VDM, let me tell you, if you are found guilty, now then go laugh last, not be you where they laugh. By that time, fans go need to contribute money give you, because inside that 500 million where they sue you for defamation of character, I bet you 100 million must come out. Anyhow you and your judges beg, anyhow you and your own lawyers beg and come to a round table, even if people want to settle out of court, money must still come out. At least 50 million will go down. You get, because of the fact of all the damages you've created, and because they know that you're a content creator and you make money online, they are going to look into your resources and all that. One good thing about VDM is he has not really shown his house, though he bought a car, so they go look the value of the car. So yeah, sell the car and pay. He has shown that he bought a Range Rover, I think. But for people that have not shown their properties online, better for them, because they go look according to your property, they collect money from your hand. You get the point? So for VDM, I think you should not be smiling too much. The case might be lingering up and down, but that doesn't mean that you VDM, you are innocent until proven otherwise. Okay, until you go to court. So if these people calm down, file this case, some more. If they calm down, file this case, you too, you might not like it. But anyway, guys, that's my advice for the falanas. Calm down, file the case, because what thing I know about court cases is that you don't go feel rush your judge or your lawyer, because if you rush them, say you go fight. Seriously, because you don't know the proceedings. You have to calm down. Anyway, guys, please do well to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.